There's a video floating around of Andy Mooney, the CEO of Fender Guitars, who says that 90% of beginner guitarists abandon the guitar after a year, some within the first 90 days. In this video, we're going to do the top 8 reasons beginner guitarists put it down. Reason number 1 that beginner guitarists put down the guitar is unrealistic expectations. Thanks, Internet. We all do it. We see someone doing something well and we're like, man, I can do that. I can do that. I can totally do that. And sometimes we can, sometimes we can't, right? Pros make it look easy and we're not seeing all the work that went into it. Which leads us to the second reason, which is the realization of the journey. We get into it and we realize, okay, there is some work involved in this. Maybe this doesn't come naturally to me. This is going to take a while. Number 3 is early frustrations. That could be fingers hurting, that pesky C chord, all the things that beginner guitarists have to deal with. It's an obstacle. Number 4 is poor quality instruments. Guys, sometimes it's not you, it's your guitar. If it isn't set up properly, if the action is too high, it's going to make it harder to learn. In the description below, there's a link where I give a free lesson to help you walk through your guitar to see if it might be one of those naughty guitars that you don't need to bother with trying to learn on. Which leads us to number 5, which is cost and equipment. The quality of inexpensive guitars has gotten so much better now. Brands like Yamaha, Fender, Harley Benton make a great beginner guitar. There's also the costs of learning the instrument, which is why we've priced the MyPOVGuitar beginner course at a very affordable rate. We don't want that to be a barrier to entry for you. Number 6 is being overwhelmed with information. There's so much information at our fingertips, from what kind of guitar to play to how to play it. Number 7, insecurities and self-doubt. You feel like I can't do this, imposter syndrome sets in. Number 8 is a perceived lack of fun because of tedious practicing. I'm a big fan of quick wins. I try to give my students quick wins. We do a practice with a purpose series to where you know why you're practicing and the end result's going to be like this really cool song that you wanted to play. Guys, these are the 8 reasons most guitar players put it down when they're trying to learn. Guys, if you want to be part of that 10% who doesn't lay it down and wants to follow through and learn guitar, I invite you to go to MyPOVGuitar.com. We teach from your point of view. Learning from your point of view makes it easier and hopefully make you part of that 10% that goes on to play guitar. Guys, we'll see you in the next lesson.